Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Take. This is my OnePlus 9RT running with OxygenOS 15. Even though this device have 120 FPS screen refresh rate, my BGMI gameplay is still running on 60 FPS. And after using this trick, now I am able to play BGMI at full 120 FPS in lobby, in combat and anywhere in the game. We already uploaded lots of tutorial videos to force enable and play BGMI or PUBG at 120 or 90 FPS on any device. You will find those video links in description, but some users reported some of that video tricks are working and some didn't. So we came back with this new trick, which is non-root method but still it needs unlocked bootloader. This method will help you to play any game like PUBG, codm or genshin impact at highest FPS, but I can't guarantee it will work for all. So please watch this video until the end to know exact process of playing BGM or any game at 144, 120 or 90 FPS or whatever maximum FPS your device supports. Now with the further delay, let's get started. Here you can see I am using OnePlus 9RT with OxygenOS 15. To use this method, your device bootloader must be unlocked and your device must have support of ARM64 dynamic system with treble support. We are just booting the new BridgeOS 4.8 custom JSON-ROM which now supports full 144-120 unlocked FPS for any device. For detailed instruction how to boot such JSON-ROM, please check our iCard video. So we install the new BridgeOS 4.8. To boot the JSON, just tap restart button in the notification panel for this ROM, and here our device rebooted to the new BridgeOS 4.8 version. Now please check these settings which are necessary to play BGM at full FPS. First go to the display setting, there in a peak refresh rate select 120 FPS and for minimum FPS again select 120 FPS. Now in the settings search bar search for the game dashboard option and enable the game dashboard toggle. This will show you the real-time FPS of your gameplay. Next search for unlock FPS for games. Here check if its toggle is already enabled. If it's off, enable that, but in this ROM it's enabled by default. Now open BGMI or PUBG game. Here you will see the floating game dashboard icon. You can move this at anywhere on the screen, so place it at convenient place on your display. If you tap on it, some settings screen will pop up. Here just toggle on FPS option. This will show you the real-time FPS of your gameplay, like OxygenOS Game Space feature, which shows in OnePlus devices. Now in a game, go to the graphics setting, there select custom option and choose smooth plus extreme FPS, or you can also use HD plus extreme FPS. Both of these options will give you the unlocked FPS, but in this video I just tested smooth plus extreme plus FPS option. Apply this setting for both combat, lobby or hub options. Tap on apply button. Now you can start to play your game. So here you can see in the lobby immediately FPS meter showing game FPS running with 120 FPS frame rate. There is a little fluctuations will happen from 100 to 120 FPS, but that will not affect your gameplay because on an average your FPS will remain between 100 to 120 FPS all the time. I played full BGMI gameplay and I successfully able to play game with 120 FPS. Even while combat play it still remains same, there were no any lags happened. Game was ran very smoothly during this gameplay. If your device supports 180, 144, 120 or whatever maximum FPS your device display supports, game will run with the same screen FPS. Once your gameplay finishes, you can go back to your primary ROM by just tapping the same restart button available for duration notification in the status bar. So here I again booted to OxygenOS 15, and in this stock ROM, if I play BGM or PUBG with smooth plus extreme FPS, still it just capped at 60 FPS in lobby, in the game and during combat. And if I close this gameplay and reboots back to BreezeOS 4.8 GSI, there if I play same game it's running with 120 FPS all the time. This is power of GSI ROMs. If your device supports BreezeOS custom ROM, you can install this ROM permanently on your device and can play any game at unlocked higher FPS. And all other devices can install this GSI as I mentioned along with your stock ROM and can play Bgmi or any game at highest FPS without any lag because this is a pure AOSP ROM which is optimized for performance. If you don't want to use this method, you can try our different root and non-root mods video. Their links are given in the description. If those video tricks are not working for you, you can try this new GSR ROM trick. It's 100% working for all devices. It's my guarantee. If you are using Infinity X or Rising OS GSR ROMs, that ROM also have same settings. You can try that without switching to this ROM. But for me, those ROMs unlocked FPS is not working. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming Android mod content for any Android device. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.